I want to share some idea with you first. Um, we had last time our product we did not. I'm sorry, we nearly messing up. We didn't talk enough. We didn't communicate enough to decide what to do. From the last round, I decided traditional was like this much. We will put up this much for the low end, and then the high end should have 500, and the performance should have 300, something like that. These are the size to at least 200. How this number is coming is from? It's we're going to use this number, the number here, to multiply the industry growth. The last time the traditional industry was 9.2%. This time the industry growth also it's 9.2%. So the traditional there's nothing changed. It's 9.2. But it was from the new base. The new base is changed. The new base is 9,900. Last time is um 867. So we share 14% of it, of the 8,000. The 8,000 plus the industry growth 9%, and it's close to 10%, so it's gonna be 9,600 something, and we have 40%. That it's about 9,000. It's about 1,400. It's about 1,400 plus the best scenario will be one extra month. So we got one extra month, we get another 100. So it's gonna be 1,500 product. And there's 17% 0.7 for the low end. The low end 11 we plus the low end increasing, industry lead increasing for the low end, it's 11%. So that is another 10 plus 10, it's gonna be 12,000, and then we share 17% of it. We share 17% of the market. With 17 of the market, so we're going to have about 20,000. So we need to put 20,000 of it. But our low end, according our plan, it's going to be low end. We were going to drop out at the floor round. It dropped out in the floor round. We can still keep the old one, produce. We need to sell some of the capacity, and then the traditional we're going to increase the capacity, because traditional is going to replace the low end, and then the high end going to replace for traditional. So the high end we also increase the capacity, and we got a new product. The new product going to replace for the high end. So we going to be high end will be traditional, the amount. Low end will be the part of traditional, part of low end, because we only sell of part of capacity to fund our new product. And one more thing, I hope you guys to understand this one, is that if we want the product to be like, don't spend so much money on it. Our capacity last time it's really low. That means we take an example. If we run a restaurant, we run it for 6 days, and we can sell breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Now we only sell lunch and dinner, but only sell lunch and dinner will be 100% of our capacity. 100% of capacity means we need to produce 1,000 dinner for like a beef, 1,800 beef, that's 100%. And we're gonna get chicken, 1,400 chicken dish is that's that's 100%. That is for dinner only. But if we want our capacity, using our capacity, we want to run the lunch too. So if we want to uh, but lunch is not many people buy steak or beef, not 1,800. So we're gonna have sell the beef for lunch. It's gonna be 8,000, 9,900 of it. If 900, so our capacity to selling this thing, it's gonna be 2,700. But because we already studied that before, we only had 1,400. Do you remember I talking about that how much we need to produce? And we only had 1,400. We only have 1,400 for the beef, so we cannot produce so much. In this case, we need to sell some of our capacity. So we're going to because we don't produce 1,800 beef beef dinner beef lunch dinner together. So we sell of some of our capacity. We don't run a big restaurant to selling beef. We're gonna the selling beef we're gonna run it smaller. So we sell of capacity here. And then these things too, we sell some of our capacity. So we're going to have pay less rent for running the restaurant like that. So each of product will be less costly. Yeah, this is what I want to have you guys had the same. I want you guys to share the same thought as I think. So that when we make a decision, we had like agreement or something. Thank you for your time. I'm sorry I spent so much of your time. Thank you.